Hello. I'm Manny, and this is Green and Free. Today, we're going to perform an oil change on our e-trike. While it's not a strict requirement to do it regularly based on mileage or months, as e-bikes have minimal moving parts, it's still beneficial to keep your electric vehicle in optimal condition by changing the oil occasionally, especially for the motor's longevity. To get started, we'll need a wrench and 100 milliliters of gear oil for this task. This is the rear axle assembly of the e-trike, where the motor is located. First, we'll use the wrench to remove the gear oil fill bolt. Next, we'll remove the drain plug from the differential to allow the oil to drain out. To avoid any mess, I'll make sure to have a small container ready for this task. We'll let the old oil drain out completely, and in the meantime, we can prepare our oil. I have here Yamalube, a highly recommended gear oil, which comes in a 100 milliliters container. While motor oil can be used temporarily, if gear oil is not available, it's important to note that motor oil contains additives, such as detergents and dispersants, that are meant to combat byproducts from gasoline or diesel ignition. These additives are not necessary for your electric motor. On the other hand, gear oil is specifically formulated to be thicker, and has extreme pressure properties, that help quiet gears and dissipate shock loading, making it ideal for use in the rear axle assembly of your e-trike. I think we're ready. This used oil has many potential applications in the future. All that's left is to pour the 100 milliliters of Yamalube from the bottle into the differential, and then reinsert the plugs. You can repeat this process every 3 months, 6 months, or annually, depending on your preference. There's no strict timeline like with motorcycles or cars that require oil changes based on mileage. As you can see, it's a simple task that doesn't require extensive technical knowledge. It's more practical to do it yourself next time you need to. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our new content. If you like this video, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you for watching Green and Free.